Episode 5, we are on the home stretch and the finish line is in sight and the excitement is building for our project coming to an end.
So the original plan through the reno was to move in with my mum. But with me spending so much time in hospital closer into the city, we decided it was going to be a lot easier to rent an Airbnb closer to the hospital and closer into the city while we finish off the last bits of the reno.
And we've just got a few weeks left at the Airbnb. The clock is ticking and there's still so much to do here at our growing Gables site. It's been a massive week this week, but so much progress on site. The guys have laid all of the floors back here throughout the house on the bottom story. We've got the screening in behind me, all the way up here as well. It looks amazing. So really excited with how much we've progressed. The plan for tomorrow is to prepare the walls and get the undercoat on top so we can start top coating this upstairs area, ready to start laying the floors. There's still a little bit of prep work to do. I need to do some sanding in the morning. We've got plastic film up there and on the other side, so I can spray all the way back here, back into the original room on the right-hand side, and also spray in my new studio room, or this 5th bedroom up here, on all these walls and ceilings to get it prepped as best as we can with an undercoat. This front deck is also taking shape. You can see out here, they've started on the deck out front. Really excited to see how things are progressing. There's also been a massive amount of work out on the back deck. They've got the flyover roof in. So as you can see, these big panels went in all in one go. They knocked the entire flyover roof out in one day. And all these balustrades have been taken out because they were incorrectly spaced. And they're gonna be all fixed up. This is the flooring for upstairs as well. So massive amount of work. We've only got a week to go to get inside. Not enough time really in most people's minds, but I'm out here every day for the next 7 days to get this place ready for Emily and the kids, and it's going to be worth it. It's a lot of work. I'm pretty exhausted. It's been a long week, but we're coming together and I can't wait to see the paint go on because that means the floors can go in. Once the floors goes in, we can get all the furniture in and then we can start enjoying living in the brand new house, or newly renovated house, I should say. But yeah, that's the update. So much going on. Let's get it done. The flooring installers have been working tirelessly. We've picked a hybrid flooring and it does take a lot of effort to clip together. The entire flooring is done on both levels of our home now, which is super exciting. And we picked a color called New England Blackbud. We really love the color and it's amazing to see the transformation take place.
The kitchen is about to be finished with the benchtop going in, and honestly, it looks so much better than we had imagined.
Unfortunately, we've hit a few snags along the way. The decking balustrade out back wasn't built to code. That chippy's actually been kicked off site, but our builder is fixing it and they've come back and they're ripping out all the balustrade and starting again to make sure it's right and the right height as well, so it's safe for the kids. We've also had a complete debacle with our master bathroom tapware. We've changed the vanity, we've changed the positioning of the mirror, we need to change the tapware, we need to pull the tiles off. So that's been a whole story on its own, but we're getting there in terms of sorting out our master bathroom and making sure everything is centered and looks fantastic.
Throughout the reno, it can sometimes feel like there's just one thing after another, and our bathroom is an example of that. But you really just have to make quick decisions to fix the little things as you go so that they don't become big things towards the end of the reno.
Yeah, as long as we don't run out of money.
Yeah, I guess that's the main thing.
Another big job to check off our list before we move is the fencing around the pool. We need to make sure it's safe for our 2 tiny boys, and so that means locking that area up. We also need the pool area done because we are finishing off our backyard, which means adding a shed, which is going to be an awesome home gym, sauna, cold plunge, squat rack, weights, whatever else I can think of essentially in there. And we are also going to turf the backyard and fence it off so the kids can start using the space. Asa is dying to be in the backyard, so we need to get this backyard finished ASAP. And my birthday's also coming up too.
The big 3-0.
How dare you? We're not mentioning my age here on the channel.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, but that's fine. No, yeah, I am turning 30 and we're going to use the house as a celebration. So we need to get this house finished in time for my 30th, which is only a couple of weeks or months away.
Our time is up at the Airbnb. We're not extending it anymore, so we're in full-on moving mode.
Except there's one big problem that we have on site, which is no electricity. Unfortunately, our electrician has gone walkabout for a bit on a few other jobs that are floating around, and we are now camping in our own home with no power. We do have one working power point, which we've now rigged up a massive power board, and I've gone to Bunnings and picked up a few lights to make sure that we can live in the space.
But we have no choice. Our time is up at the Airbnb. We're moving in, power or no power.
I don't mind a bit of camping.
I hate camping.
Well, it's time to make this house a home.
We are exhausted, but we are so excited to be in our home. Any renovation is really challenging, but this has been especially challenging with everything else going on. But we are so excited to be moving in, making this a home.
And we're super excited to be bringing you guys a full tour of our growing Gables home. So make sure you subscribe for the next episode.